Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Shenrak. Today guys, I have a baked pasta with Parmesan cheese. This is easy and quick pasta for lunch of Hayden and Sonia. Then this is our boiled pasta. And I have a small amount of chicken meat marinated into salt and white pepper. Then let's fry until it's well done cooked guys. Then kailangan yung color niya is look golden brown. Okay, and add a sausage. Then let's cook it together. Then I add tomato sauce or pasta sauce, guys. I'm using a Prego pasta sauce because the taste is yummy and have a meatball inside. Okay, mix it well. Then let's add a water guy. I put a water inside of the bottle. Okay, and then let's mix it. Then add more tomato sauce guys para mas masarap yung lasa niya. Okay. Ayan, let's mix it well. And I add sugar. Guys, I add sugar kasi I like the sauce na medyo sweet siya guys. Lalo na yung sauce nyo, a little bit sour. So, I add more sugar. And blend it well. Okay. Wow, very yummy. Then, let's simmer for a while guys. And then now, let's place the pasta in the tray, baking tray. Then pour the pasta sauce on top. Wow, it looks so yummy guys. Okay, then let's mix it para ma-absorb ng pasta yung sauce. Then add a Parmesan cheese guys. This is cheddar Parmesan cheese. This is so yummy. I love it. And Hayden also like this. Then let's bake for 10 minutes, and this is now our baked pasta with Parmesan cheese. Very yummy. Don't forget to subscribe my channel guys.